What are the measures of angle BEC and angle ABE in the figure shown? To figure out those angles, we first have to figure out the value of x, and there's more than one way to do this, and I'll show you two examples in this video. The first example, I'll show you how to use a straight line and figure out the value of x. Now to do that, you have to see what two angles fall on that straight line, and then you have to add them up together and then set it equal to 180. So if we look here, I have angle BEC and angle FEC is equal to angle FEB. FEB is this straight angle right here. Now we know angle BEC is right here, and that is equal to 3x minus 5. And angle FEC is here, and that is equal to 4x plus 10. And all of that equals 180. So now I have to start solving. I'm going to get rid of the parentheses by distributing a 1 inside, and that'll leave me with 3x minus 5, and then I'll do the same thing here. So 3x minus 5 plus 4x plus 10 is equal to 180 degrees. Now I need to combine my like terms. My like terms are a positive 3x and a positive 4x, which is 7x, and then I have negative 5 and positive 10, which is a positive 5. And all of that is equal to 180. Now I need to subtract 5 on both sides, and that leaves me with 7x is equal to 175. Then I have to divide 7 on both sides. So 7 divided by 17 is 2. I have 3 left over. 7 divided by 35 is 5. That means x is equal to 25 degrees. Now I need to figure out the measurements of angle BEC, and angle BEC is right here, BEC. Now we know angle BEC is equal to 3x minus 5. To figure that out, we already know the value of x is 25. So we can just substitute 25 into this expression. 3 times 25 is 75, and then you have to subtract 5, and that is 70. So the measurement of angle BEC is 70 degrees. Now the next angle, we have to figure out angle ABE. Angle ABE is here. All you have to do is build an equation. If you look right here, there's a straight line. And we have angle ABE and angle EBC that fall along that straight line. So we know a straight line is equal to 180, and then we have to figure out what other angles go along. We don't know the measurement of angle ABE, so we can just leave that as is. And then we can add the value of this angle. And we know the value of x is 25, so 25 minus 5 is 20. So that value is 20 degrees. Now we can solve. We subtract 20 on both sides of the equal sign. So we're left with angle ABE is equal to 160 degrees. Now I'm going to show you a second way to figure out the value of x. Before I use a straight line, now I'm going to use a triangle. If we look here, we have a triangle. Now the information you should know about a triangle is when you add up all 3 angles of a triangle, it should equal 180 degrees. So when we build our equation, I'm going to set it equal to 180 degrees. And we have to see what 3 angles fall on that triangle. We have this angle here, which is 3x minus 5. And then we have this angle here, which is x minus 5. And then we have this angle here, which is 90. Now we have to simplify. Distribute your positive 1 inside, so that leaves us with 3x minus 5 plus x minus 5 plus 90 is equal to 180. Now you have to combine your like terms. We have 3x and the positive 1x, and that gives us 4x. Now we have a negative 5, which gives us negative 10. Then you add that to 90, and that gives us a positive 80. Now you have to subtract 80 on both sides. So that leaves us with 4x equals 100. Then you have to divide both sides by 4. So x equals 25.